So hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I am going to show you how to build a simple barcode scanner log system using only Excel. No VBA, no coding, just formulas and formatting. This is a great for inventory tracking, product checkings, or scanning ID cards. So let's jump right in. So here I have some information that I want to put a barcode on this section. So make sure when you have the numbers, you just highlight the whole section that you have the numbers. Go ahead and click on this and make sure it is a number like that. Then click OK. You can even as well set it differently. You can leave it as general if that is okay based on the way it is. Then here, make sure it is in text. The section is in text like this. Look for text because it has A, B, C, and also this one X, Y, Z, like that. Then once you're done doing that, we go to this section. Then now we want to put a formula here that is going to help us now put a barcode here. Now you go ahead and put equal sign to put the equal sign. First of all, let's put a different font up here. Like for example the Calibri, so that I can show you how it works. So put an equal sign, then open the double inverted quotes like that, then put in brackets like that, then put an unsign, shift an unsign like that, then select this. This is the data you want to use, so it will be B7. Then go ahead and put an unsigned again at the end there. Then put the inverted quotes in there. First of all, I need to put an inverted quote in here like this. Then I'll also put the inverted quote at the end here. Nice. Then close this bracket like that. Then put the inverted quote outside and click enter. Now, when you click enter, you realize that there's a code already, a barcode already that has been put in here. Then I can go ahead and highlight down like this. Then the barcodes will be given inside there. As you can see, we have this is quite. Let me open it up so that you can see it clearly like that. Nice. So that is the barcode in there. Now let me show you what brought in this barcode if you don't have it. So the first thing that you need to do, and I'll put the link down there for you to go ahead and download this section. You go in here and look for this font size or font type. This one that it has ID automatic automation HC39 M3 version. If you don't have it, I'll put a link down below in the description so that once you download it and it is in your computer, once you put in the formula that we have done like this, you will go ahead and change that font size or font type and put that font type there. Then immediately it will give you the barcode, as you can see there, displayed in this Excel sheet. And that is it. You've now got a working barcode scanner log system inside Excel. So perfect for warehouse tracking, office check-ins, or retail stores. No VPN needed, just smart formulas and barcode font. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.